Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentice Club. Today we are going to discuss about Subhunter. So what is this Subhunter? So it's a subdomain takeover tool. So subdomain takeover is a common vulnerability that allows an attacker to gain control over the subdomain of a target domain and redirect user intended for an organization domain to a website that performs a malicious activity such as phishing campaigns, stealing user cookies, and etc. things. It occurs when attacker gains control over a subdomain of a target domain. Typically, this happens when the subdomain has CNAME and in the DNS, but no host providing a content for it. Subhunters Subhunter takes a given list of subdomains and scan them and check the vulnerabilities. So it's directly it's vulnerable or not. So without get like too much hard and struggle, so we can directly check it will be uh, vulnerable or not. That's it. So first open the terminal. So first we just type git clone and paste the repository. So this is a subhunter. So once you have pasted the subhunter, now just go to as a subhunter. Now we just type list. So you need to build here this subhunter. So now I just type here go build main.go. Oh sorry, subhunter.go. So this, so just copy paste. So this will build. Now once this is built successfully, now I can type list. So we need to execute this subhunter. Okay, now let me show you the subhunter. So here have subhunter, a fast subdomain takeover tool. That's it. Now we would like to look here a new tab. Now you just come to the main directory. Now we just type here. Now we just type here as subfinder. So subfinder minus help. So this will find the subdomains of your targeted domain. So I already made a list. So I also show you as sample demo. So just type here as subfinder and you specify the domain and enter the targeted domain. So I just enter a random like Airbnb. Now let's see here. So here you got entire of the subdomains. That's it. Now we just type clear. So I have already made a list here as subdomains where I have. So you just type here cd subdomains. So I just made some list of targeted websites. So I would like to test all these 6 targeted websites of subdomains. Now let me just type clear here. Now I just type here as subhunter minus help. So I need to specify here as minus l of the path where you have stored just club subdomains. Now I would like to give fp.txt. Now I would like to save this as output here as, let me say as, so fp1.txt. So now let's see here how this will be worked out. So if it vulnerable, we can get the URL, then we can take over that subdomain. That's it. So for faster performance, the Firefox is enough, but it sometimes is also asked for Edge, Chrome, or something. So you just need to install both the tools. So it will take a long time. So what else I have, keep a target. So let me do that one also. So I would like to go here entirely a copy. Now just try open new tab. Come back here. Now let you can paste it here. So now I would like to target as this Airbnb. So first let me target this. Then I save the output as uh, ab1.txt. Now let's see here also. We'll take this. So if it vulnerable, you get with a green symbol here. That's it. Now let we would like to look here also. So it's all take a long time to get here. Once you get a page, so don't need to worry. So you just need to try as long as much time. So it shows nothing found are not vulnerable here. So that's it. Now we would like to go back here. Okay. So let me I just copy here. Now let me paste it. Now let me I try here as this blockchain. Now let's see here. Copy and paste it. Output as bc.txt. Now let's see here. So you can try any one of the small targeted websites like a low security websites. So then only you can get some vulnerable things. So it will continuously go for checking. Now let's see here. Now this was done. Now let's see here. This one has the Airbnb. It's not even one targeted domain. Now let we would like to look here. So we have test. One is with Facebook, another one is with Airbnb, another one is with a blockchain. Now I would like to test since two more. Now we would like to go back here. Now I would like to copy here. So just copy, come back here, paste it. Now I just put here as Binance. So just copy and paste it. So just put for bnb.txt. Oh, sorry. Now entirely we just copy this and we just write here and paste it. Now it will run for the blockchain. Now let's see here. Sorry, this Binance. So it will not giving any type of error in the Binance, otherwise fail to check our XYZ things. So it may be a cross-checking each and every domain. So here, not yet found in the blockchain, it's not vulnerable. That's why. So we have got it somewhat get errors. So that's we need to avoid. So we just look it out this one. Now we have done all here. So you can get here, it's vulnerable means it will become with a green symbol. So this is Facebook is refusing to connect also. That may be a vulnerable. We need to cross check in depth more. Now you would like to look here as now let we would like to open new tab. Now let we would like to Subhunter. We would like to copy this and paste it. Now our target is so this 3 is over. Now we would like to look this booking.txt. Let's see here output as pk.txt. Now let's see either this maybe we can get it or not. So it may be showing error. So here we not yet get any one of the targeted is one of. So it will take a long time to process this or now let me would like to look this the final one this coinbase.txt. So just copy, come back here, we just type cd subfinder subhunter. I just type here, paste it. Okay, sorry. Now we would like to go for as subhunter plus home cloud subdomains, then coinbase.txt, then output we go for cv.txt. Let's see here it's also going for a faster. Now we not yet get here anything vulnerable, here also not vulnerable. Now let's see this one, it's running. So this is for a Binance, it's still running, and this one is not yet at all vulnerable. So now let's make it happen this one. Now let's see this one. So here we not yet get anything else at all to get 1 hour. So you keep on scanning of your subdomains. Maybe it will take over for the subdomain takeover. Once that is come, you can try to report to the bug bounty platform. Otherwise, your organizations then they can pay you for a bounty. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.